Nexa3D proudly announces Nexa 2.0, an intelligent file preparation and printer management software to get from part to print in minutes at production scales. Nexa 2.0's intuitive controls enable effortless pre-print setup of even the most complex jobs. Robust support structures ensure the consistent quality and accuracy of parts. Our software's state-of-the-art slicer analyzes and optimizes each unique build to ensure the high success rates and accurately estimate print times. Finally, NexaX 2.0 is accelerating productivity with the built-in intelligent printer management system that is designed to unlock the full potential of your printer fleet.